Hi, boys and girls. I am Miss Moran. Welcome back to your math lesson. Today we will continue counting objects and identifying numbers from 0 through 10. Remember, all of this is important. It is important for us to be able to identify our numbers and count objects because these are skills that we need for the rest of our lives. We need to learn how to count and how to identify numbers. Today we are going to be building with Legos. We're going to be choosing a number and building a building made out of Legos. So that's the activity we're going to be doing today because we're going to practice identifying the numbers and counting the objects. All right, let's begin. First thing we're going to do is review our numbers. So what number is this? This is number 0. Okay, for each number, we're going to be counting the items. All right, so 0 means there's nothing, right? So 0 has nothing. There's nothing here. That's what 0 means. Okay. Our next number is number 1. So I'm going to put 1 cube. And when you're counting, you want to be touching the object. So this is 1. The next number is number 2. So let's count the items. 1, 2. That's number 2. This is number 3. So we're going to count the items. 1, 2, and 3. Remember, kids, when you're counting, I want you to touch the objects. So this is 3. This is number 4. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's number 4. Next number is going to be number 5. Let's put that. And we're gonna touch each one when we're counting it, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That's number 5. This is number 6. And we're gonna count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. This is number 7. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number is this? Number 8. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Look at number 8. And now we have number 9. So we're going to count. And when you're counting as you're touching it. Because if you don't touch them, you might count wrong. So you have to touch them, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And don't go super fast. Don't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because you're going to get it wrong. Touch each one and say it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. So our next number is number 10. Number 10 is a 1 and a 0 together. Okay? So when they're together, that's number 10. So now we're going to count our cubes. And we're going to point at them and we're going to do it slowly, not too fast. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, boys and girls, for today's activity, we're going to play a game. It's called Build a City. And if you want, you can do this at home. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna build a city from Legos, okay? Here I have small numbers so that they can fit on this squares. So the numbers are gonna go here, or actually they're rectangles. They're gonna go on this rectangle, and your city that you're gonna build from Legos are gonna go up here. And so over here I have cards with numbers from 1 through 10. And so we're gonna mix them up. We're gonna mix them up, and then we're not gonna look at it, and then we're gonna pull out a number. What number is that? Do you know the name of that number? That's number 5. So I'm gonna put the number 5 is right here. Do you see it? I'm gonna put the number 5 on this rectangle. And so I'm gonna use 5 Legos. So I have my Legos over here. I'm gonna build them 1, 2, 3, 4, and some of them are different, so they're not sticking together, but here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that building, I'm gonna put it right here. You can actually put it standing up, but I don't think you'll be able to see them that good. So I'll put them like that, laying down. Okay, so I'm going to my next number. And that's, what number is that? That's number 4. So we'll look for number 4 down here, and it's this one, right? So we'll put number 4 right there, and our building's gonna go in this rectangle. So we need 4 Legos. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. All right. Now let's go to our next number. What number is that? See if you can figure it out while I get more Legos. That's number 6. So we're gonna look for number 6, and this one looks like number 6, so we're gonna put it right there, number 6. And we're gonna get 6 Legos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I can actually put them like closer here so you can see which one goes with which one. All right, let's go to our next number. What number is this? It's gonna be number 8, and here's number 8. So we're gonna get 8 Legos and put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's going to go with this one. Okay. So see how it looks kind of like buildings, like this picture? So that's why we're building our city with Legos. All right, we're going to go to the next one. What number is this? That's number 9. And here is number 9. So we're going to put it right here. I'm going to move my buildings a little bit over. And we're going to get 9 Legos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's another building. Okay. So now what number is this? That's number 2. And it's right there. So then you grab 2 Legos, 1 and 2, put them together, and that's where the building goes. All right. Go to the next one. This one says 1. So here we have number 1. So it's only one Lego. And we'll put it right there. See our skyline? Our buildings? Okay. Next number is 7. So here's 7. And let me get 7 Legos. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that goes right there. Okay, we got one more. Room for one more. What number is this? 3. So we're going to get 3 Legos. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, and I forgot to put the number 3 right there. Okay, and see how we did our buildings? Some are taller, some are shorter. Okay, and this is a game you can play at home with mom too. You can use Legos, or you can use, instead of doing buildings, if you don't have that, you can use like beans, or you can use pasta. Your mom just needs to make cards from 1 to 10, and then you pick out the number, and she can help you recognizing that number, and then you put, like, if you get a number 5, you put 5 out. It could be 5 Legos, 5 beans, 5 pasta shells, or whatever you have at home. And it's a good practice for you to recognize the numbers. All right. For today's homework, we're going to be counting winter items. The objects that you're going to count are the ones that are in here. You're going to count them, and then you're going to decide which one is the number. You're going to move the circle to your answer. So let's do this one together. Let's count together. This is 1, 2, and 3. So which one is 3? The top one, the middle, or the bottom? 3 is going to be the bottom. This is not number 3. This is number 8. And this is number 2. Okay. One more. So now we have penguins we need to count. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, when you're counting, you're touching the items and you're going slowly. Don't do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because you can do it wrong. You might get the wrong answer. You have to touch him, slowly count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now we're going to decide, is number 6 the top, middle, or bottom number? It's going to be the middle one. This is not number 6. This is number 8. And this is not number 6. This is number 5. Okay, so you have several pages that you need to count the items and move that circle to the correct number. Okay, well, that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and activities, and I will see you here tomorrow. Bye-bye.